Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We are so happy you've joined us so we can show you what we're working on here at Blackout. We'll start in the center of the bay. This is a Dodge Ram Rumblebee. We previously did PPF and a ceramic coating as well as some graphics. It's back for its annual inspection and we're adding the graphic across the top of the tonneau cover. That's actually drying right now. Beside that is the Porsche Boxster you guys saw in pieces last week. It is rewrapped, back together, looking good. We just got to reinstall the Porsche crest on the front basically and get that car back to Gibsonia for the customer to pick up. We have a Grand Cherokee. This one just got finished with a ceramic coating. Zach polished all the paint before coating the paint wheels and glass on the lift. A color you don't see very often on Cadillac Escalades. This one's here for some PPF. And yeah, check it out. It's pretty cool. Then we have a Ram Badlander edition, and this got a ceramic coating. I want to say it's also getting the front windows tinted, so it's not done yet. They're in the process of polishing it before the coating goes down. So this is a factory truck that works on, whoever makes the Badlander edition, they take it and modify it, and that's what you're seeing here. It's the American Icon edition, number 133, 395 horsepower, designed in Birmingham. And in the wash bay, Nate's washing a Jeep. Behind that Jeep is this Jeep Renegade. This one's here for a ceramic coating as well. The paint on this could use some heavy correction, which is what Zach is doing. You can see the reflection of the light. There's a lot of scratches, swirl marks, things like that. Let's see what's happening on the rear quarter done. Wow, yeah, huge difference between the door and the rear quarter. And this is where a lot of the work comes into a ceramic coating. It's a lot of what you're paying for is that prep work to get the paint polished and looking beautiful with minimal scratches before we install the coating. It almost looks like a different color. It's so much deeper after a good polish. John says it's bright out here, and I would have to agree. It is bright out here. It's a beautiful week here in LATROBE. Got a Super Duty F350. This one, I believe, is here for an annual. And a Cybertruck. Got a satin black wrap. We previously did this tinted all the way around, including the windshield. This windshield is the largest windshield known to man. So it's like 6 feet wide, or I'm sorry, 5 feet wide and 6 or 7 feet long. One piece of film, really, really, really challenging to get a perfect install. Bottom corner had a little bit more debris than we like, so we were redoing that windshield. It looks great now. Ford Fiesta, we removed some tint to go darker. Beside that, TRD Pro Sequoia. Pretty sweet SUV. This one's here for a ceramic coating, and I believe we tinted the windows as well. And another Cybertruck, this one is changing colors. We're not going to tell you what color yet. We're going to get that prepped today, start on that tomorrow. It's going to be cool. And then next week, we have another one that's going to be also really cool. And I think they're both going to be here at the same time, so it'll be cool to get pictures of both of them. And then we've got an Acura Type S. This one got PPF on the front end as well as window tint. Hyundai Elantra N. It's got window tint. They've got pretty cool keys. I saw it hanging in the key box. It looks like an egg. I never saw a key like that before. Also, the design on those doors is pretty cool. Like, it's got really dimensional shapes, and the way that the shadows work, that car would probably look awesome in stealth in a dark color. Mercedes-Benz GLE just dropped off to us fresh from the dealership yesterday. This one's here for a ceramic coating. It'll be heading in for prep this afternoon. And up front, we've got two cars. One of them is from our friends at Sendel. We did some PPF on this. This is one of their demo vehicles, so they can show you what the PPF looks like in the showroom. And beside that is Aaron's ZL1 1LE stealth wrapped Camaro. We're only about a month away from running this versus the GT3 RS at Pit Race. Make sure you chime in the comments and let him know that he's slow and he's going to get his butt whooped. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh and Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a completed job. This GMC Yukon Denali got a full polish and 4-year ceramic coating and window tint on the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. Next in line for some window tint is this 3 Series. We are doing our Prime XR ceramic on the side windows, the back window, and the full windshield. Also in for some tint is this E350 from our friends at ATC Service and Sales. We are tinting the side windows and the back window of this vehicle at 5%. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Camaro. Full polish and 8-year coating on the entire body. In the tint bay is a brand new Ram 2500. As you can see, Jason is taking off some customer applied protective wrapping because this is also getting PPF on the front bumper and rocker panels. Tint-wise, Cole is doing the 2 fronts, 20% to match the factory tint. Also in the tint bay is a Volkswagen Passat. We are doing the side windows and back window of this vehicle in 15%. Next in line for a full strip and retint is this Mercedes-Benz. You can see on the back window the reason that you don't go to the cheap guy for window tint. That is what happens. So all these bubbles here is the adhesive failing, and we're going to be taking off all the existing tint and applying our lifetime warranted xpel tint to the side windows and the back window. Next in the prep bay is this GMC Sierra AT4. This is getting a full polish and an 8-year ceramic coating. In the shop for some paint protection film today is this 2014 911. We did this job a few years ago and did some PPF on the rear impacts. The old PPF has been taken off, but you can see underneath the damaged PPF is no paint damage. That is why you get paint protection film. We're going to reapply that piece of PPF and recoat the area. Up on the lift is a 2024 Lotus Emira. This is in for a full front paint protection film, along with all these accent pieces. You can see Stephen Austin doing the black accents on the front bumper as we speak. Up front, we have a completed job here. This Corolla GR got a track package paint protection film and the carbon roof protected in stealth paint protection film. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
This Rivian R1S received a full polish and a ceramic coating and full window tint all around, including the windshield in our XR Plus. This Cybertruck came in for a quarter panel bedside repair and was damaged. Customer just needed it to get removed and redone. Ready to go home. So today we're working on this Lamborghini Revuelto. It's getting some custom graphics printed on PPF for a special collaboration between Lamborghini and Balenciaga. Here's a little clip of us installing the work.
Picked up where I left off, took my car and drove to the dock. I thought you'd be there, but nothing ever comes so easy.
Once again, we thank you very much for tuning in to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Make sure you check out the rest of our channel if you like anything to do with cars.
Beneath